Those are all my wrapping tools. I'm going to tell you about my top 5. And a heat gun, but I wasn't willing to drop it out the box. As you can see, this trolley has got a lot of tools on it. What do you actually need, or what do I actually recommend? The top 5, my top 5 wrapping tools and what you need to get started. Well, let's get this one out of the way. A heat gun. You cannot do this job without one of these. Even if you're doing a flat panel, you're still going to need it to get the edges down properly and basically do everything else. A heat gun is essential. It doesn't have to be a fancy one. A £5 one from your local hardware store will do the job. As long as it blows hot air, you're good to go. The reason I use these ones is because it's got a 7-meter cable on it, which means you don't have to have an extension lead. And dragging extension lead round car is awful. Yeah, heat gun, number 1. Number 2, it's got to be a wrap glove. Use them all the time, all day, every day. On wrapping, PPF, vinyl, everything. So I use the wrap glove, I use the Ghost, which is basically slippy all the time. Even if you feel that now, it feels wet, it feels cold. So I use the wrap gloves. Other brands are available, however, I like these ones. A wrap glove is essential. A knife. You need a knife. I got loads of different knives. I got scalpels with different angle blades in them. Somewhere in here, it was all organised before we tipped it all up. There is a craft knife somewhere. There you go, craft knife. There you go, there's another one under here. This one's similar. This is a craft knife again, different blades. Depending on what you're doing, but you need a knife. That's number 3. Number 4 has to be the squeegee. Like knives, many different types. You got bendy ones, you got medium bendy ones, and then you got Teflon rock hard ones. They've all got their own purpose, use them all for different things, but generally, if you want a squeegee, I would just go for a nice medium. The 3M gold one is a go-to for a lot of people. Does pretty much everything, does what it says on the tin. Number 4, a squeegee. And number 5, I'm only allowed 5. I'm gonna have to choose between micro squeegee and a tape measure. I use these all the time. But without one of these, how are you gonna know how big your panel is? So you could do it by eye and just cut oversize, which is a horrific waste of material, but you could achieve wrapping a car without a tape measure. Could you achieve wrapping a car without a micro squeegee? Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna go with a micro squeegee. This is my number 5. So as you can see, there's still a lot more tools in here. Thermostats, there's masking tape, there's lights, there's sensor cutters, scissors, knifeless tape. There's even a hole punch. What do I use that for? You have to wait for another video. But with the 5 tools that I've mentioned, you should be able, or you can, actually wrap a car. The rest of it, it's just nice to have. So if you like this video, or you found it useful, you now know what to go and buy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and also check out our latest video. We'll put it up on the screen. Click the link. We'll put some links in the description for squeegees, wrap gloves, knives, and things like that, where you can get them from. Amazon is always a go-to. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.